What if the most terrifyingly capable truck of 2030 isn't loud, isn't flashy, but feels like a moving fortress designed to dominate every road, trail, and job site without mercy? In 2030, the RAM WARLORD ATX doesn't enter the market as a normal vehicle. It arrives as a statement of authority, engineered to look unbreakable, feel unstoppable, and perform with a level of confidence that instantly separates it from every other pickup on the road. And as you first see it under cold white lights, massive stance planted wide, armored lines cutting through the air, suspense builds because this truck doesn't look like it was designed for trends, it looks like it was designed for survival, for power, for control, and a future where capability matters more than noise, and the deeper you go, the more unsettling the realization becomes that RAM hasn't just created another electric pickup, it has created a war-grade utility machine built for extreme environments, extreme loads, and extreme expectations, blending military-inspired durability, futuristic intelligence, and next-generation electric performance into a single platform that makes traditional trucks feel fragile, outdated, and emotionally disconnected from what real dominance now looks like. Are you prepared to see how one truck can redefine strength, work, freedom, and control forever? Stay locked in because coming up you'll discover how the RAM WARLORD ATX redefines torque without combustion, how its systems predict terrain before wheels touch it, and why this truck could become the standard others quietly fear as it rewrites what capability truly means in the electric era. And every moment you keep watching uncovers another layer of power, intelligence, and design intent that proves this machine was built to rule, not follow. Rugged, electric, intelligent, armored, adaptive, dominant, relentless. This isn't a concept. This isn't hype, this is RAM showing the world what happens when brute force meets precision, engineering, and future-proof electric technology. Imagine stepping into the WARLORD ATX and feeling an immediate shift in atmosphere. The cabin closing around you like a command center. Solid, controlled, purpose-built, where every surface feels intentional and every display feeds you information without distraction. And when you press the accelerator, there's no engine buildup, no delay. Just an instant surge of electric torque that moves this massive machine forward with shocking ease, flattening terrain, inclines, and making heavy loads feel almost weightless. While the adaptive suspension reads the ground beneath you in real time, neutralizing bumps, stabilizing corners, and maintaining control even when conditions turn hostile, creating an experience that feels less like driving and more like commanding a highly trained machine responding instantly to your decisions. If you want to stay ahead of the future of electric trucks, understand where power is really going, and be the first to recognize the machines that will dominate 2030, subscribe now, share this with serious truck enthusiasts, and watch until the end because what RAM has done here signals a shift the industry can't reverse. At the core of the RAM WARLORD ATX is a heavy-duty electric architecture built on a reinforced modular platform designed specifically for extreme durability, featuring a quad-motor configuration that delivers independent torque to each wheel, enabling unmatched traction, stability, and control across mud, sand, rock, snow, and broken pavement, while producing well over 1,000 horsepower and instant torque that arrives without hesitation. And this powertrain is supported by an ultra-high-capacity battery system protected within an armored structural housing, engineered to resist impact, debris, and extreme temperatures, while an advanced thermal management network ensures consistent output during towing. Dowels are bound. Engineered to resist impact, debris, and extreme temperatures, while an advanced thermal management network ensures consistent output, debris, bout out POC, hauling, or sustained off-road punishment, and paired with a TAN, next-generation adaptive suspension system combining air, hydraulic, and electronic control. The WARLORD ATX can raise itself for extreme clearance, lower itself for highway efficiency, or stabilize itself under massive payloads automatically, transforming its physical profile based on mission demands without driver intervention. Beyond raw mechanics, the WARLORD ATX integrates a predictive intelligence system that fuses data from cameras, radar, LiDAR, terrain mapping, and cloud-based analytics, allowing the truck to anticipate traction loss, adjust torque distribution before wheels slip, precondition suspension for upcoming obstacles, and optimize energy usage dynamically, creating a vehicle that doesn't just react to the environment, but actively prepares for it. And this intelligence extends to towing assistance, load balancing, braking optimization, and off-road navigation, making complex tasks feel controlled and repeatable rather than stressful, and ensuring that power is always usable, never overwhelming, reinforcing the idea that true strength lies in control, not chaos. Emotionally incessant to towing that in color, the RAM WARLORD ATX taps into something primal, the desire to feel prepared for anything, to own a machine that doesn't flinch under pressure, and RAM amplifies this connection through an interior that balances toughness with advanced comfort, combining reinforced materials with ambient lighting, panoramic digital displays, and an AI-driven interface that learns driver behavior over time, adjusting steering weight, throttle sensitivity, display priorities, and even cabin atmosphere based on context, workload, and environment. Making the truck feel like a trusted partner, rather than a passive tool. And that relationship grows stronger the more you drive it, as the Warlord ATX quietly adapts to your habits, your routes, and your demands. Technologically, the Warlord ATX goes far beyond transportation, featuring full vehicle-to-load and vehicle-to-grid capability that allows it to power construction sites, remote camps, emergency response zones, or entire homes during outages, effectively turning the truck into a mobile power station, while over-the-air updates continuously improve performance, efficiency, safety, and features long after purchase, ensuring the truck evolves rather than ages. And with advanced driver assistance systems approaching autonomous functionality for highways, towing, and low-speed off-road crawling, the Warlord ATX reduces fatigue and increases safety without removing the driver's authority, creating a balance where technology enhances confidence instead of replacing skill. What truly sets this truck apart, however, is the emotional shift it creates, because once drivers experience silent strength, instant response, and intelligent control in a package this rugged, the old idea that trucks need noise, vibration, and excess to feel powerful begins to collapse, replaced by a new definition of dominance rooted in efficiency, preparedness, and precision. And that realization doesn't just change how people view electric trucks, it changes how they define strength. And here's the final surprise that reframes everything. The RAM WARLORD ATX isn't designed to win drag races or headlines, it's designed to win time, reliability, and trust over years of hard use. And once you understand that real power is the ability to perform relentlessly without drama, the Warlord ATX doesn't just look like the future of trucks, it feels inevitable, leaving one undeniable truth behind. The era of loud power is ending, and the age of controlled dominance has already begun.